To install Pandas on Windows, follow these steps. First, check if Python is installed. Open the command prompt by typing cmd in the Windows search bar and press Enter. Type Python version. If Python is installed, you'll see a version number. If it's not, download and install Python first. Next, check if pip is installed by typing pip version. If pip is installed, you'll also see a version number. If not, download the getpip.py script from the official pip site and install it. Now, to install Pandas, type pip install Pandas. This will install Pandas along with other necessary packages like NumPy. To check if Pandas was installed correctly, type Python, then type import Pandas. If no errors appear, Pandas is installed and ready to use. You can also create a virtual environment using Python mvenv, and to upgrade Pandas, use pip. Install upgrade Pandas. That's it. Pandas is now installed.